Hello dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Let's proceed our exercise 12.3 of class plus 1 related to the topic 3-dimensional geometry. Our today's topic is students finding ratio using sectional formula. How to find the ratio using sectional formula. Given statement is find the ratio in which the YZ plane divides the line segment formed by the joining the points this and this. Let us represent it diagrammatically. Point P is minus 2, 4, 7 and point Q is 3, minus 5, 8. And the intersecting point, let assume, is R. As the YZ plane intersect the line segment, so its coordinate would be 0, y, z. It means that whenever YZ plane intersect, there would be value 0 of x coordinate always, and y and z have some values. Let's solve the problem. We have to find the ratio. So assume that ratio is k ratio 1, where m1 is k and 1 representing m2. Students, now apply the sectional formula to find out the coordinate of point R. As you have studied earlier, the sectional formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. This is the value of x coordinate, y coordinate m1 dot y2 plus m2 dot y1 upon m1 plus m2. Just replace x2 by y2. Same as for the coordinate of x, just replace m1, just replace the value of y by z. It would be z coordinate. Let's now put the values from this diagram. Here m1 is our value of k multiply x2. Here x2 is, students, 3 is x2, k into 3 plus m2. Here m2 is 1, m2 x1, and the value of x1 is minus 2 upon k plus 1. It is the x coordinate. The same procedure will be applied to y coordinate. m1 k into y2 is minus 5 plus m2 is 1 into y1 is 4 upon m1 plus m2, means k plus 1, and the same would be repeated for the z. But here we knows only the value of x coordinate, which is 0. Y and z are unknowns, so we need not to calculate the values of y and z. While we have given that x coordinate of R is 0, y coordinate is y, and z coordinate have some value z. Now compare this equation and this given equation. From here we have 3k minus 2 upon k plus 1, which was the value of x coordinate in equation first, is equal to the x coordinate as given 0. Now solve the values. K plus 1, cross multiply both sides. 3k minus 2 is multiplied with 1 and gives the same value. K plus 1 is multiplied with 0 and gives the value 0. 3k equal to, take over minus 2 into right hand side, it would be 2. K equal to 2 upon 3. Hence our ratio in which YZ plane divides is 2/3:1, because as we assume the ratio k ratio 1 and the value of k is 2/3, or it can be written as 2:3. It is a method to find out the ratio. Whenever you find the ratio, 2 points would be given and the intersecting point or plane would be given here. Thank you, students.